everyone, once again you're welcome. I want to quickly show you the how to make um, a recipe for cough with star anise. Like I was earlier telling us, star anise it has an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property in it. So want to quickly make what you can use for cough, for respiratory tract issues, and for cold and catarrh and all of them. So quickly, I was making a video, but I don't know what happened. But I'll look for the video and see if I can link it to this one. I You get some star anise, yes, and this is the star anise I used. This is the star anise I used. Very, very, very fresh. Very, very fresh. This container, very cheap. It's less than 1,000 naira. So you put a cup of water on fire and a cup of boiling water. You put a cup of water on fire and put in like 2 pots of star anise into the water and allow it to boil for 15 minutes. Between 15 to 20 minutes, allow it to boil. It will really boil. And then when it's boiled, this is what I have. This one has been boiled already. You're going to see the color this way. Then you filter. I want to take this for cough. So I filter it. Sorry, I would have used my filter. I didn't know that sun would be dancing up there. So you filter it, then add a teaspoon of honey. This is a teaspoon of honey. A teaspoon of honey. You can drink without honey. The first time I took it, when I had very terrible cough that refused to go, I I didn't even use honey. But now I want to use honey because the cough is not serious. It clears the throat. It it has this kind of minty or aroma that keeps your mouth fresh. So this is how it is. You see, you have your tea. So sweet, so sweet. So that's for star anise. Star anise does so many things. We use it for our spices. Star anise is used to make so many spices, both your marinating seasoning, both your chicken soy, yes, use star anise. Both your mixed spice, you use star anise. So many, so many. I have so many spices that you have not even seen yet. It's just with time, as God gives the revelation, as He gives me the go ahead, I offload and you will see it. Not like I make over 20 spices. Over. I can make more than 20 different spices, different seasonings, yes. But I had to, one after the other, one after the other. As God gives the go ahead, I move. So we use it for some spices, we use it for marinating seasoning, we use it for chicken soy seasoning, we use it for curry mixed spice, but it has its own measurement. Each of the seasoning has its own measurement. You don't just carry. Do you know that I can use it? I know the quantity of spice I can make with this quantity of star anise. So you don't just carry and pour, or maybe someone tells you it's small, you just fetch small of what measurement? You have to weigh them. That's why I have my weighing scale. I have my measuring cups of various sizes. This is my measuring scale. You have to weigh whatever you're doing. If you don't weigh it, you are either cheating a particular spice or you are causing a health risk to your body system. So everything has measurement. That is why you have to learn. Don't just goggle and then do 1+1 miss kobo with go what you browse from Google. No, please go and learn, equip yourself, and be useful to yourself. Star anise is a lovely tea that I encourage you to drink. It takes care of so many things, it does so many things in the body, and as it does so, enjoy yourself. So buy star anise from me. You must not buy from me, but if you buy from me, I would really appreciate it. Thank you, all my customers. You're welcome. You're welcome. Please like my page and subscribe.